Looking for an easy beef and potatoes recipe? This video is for you. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Rhea. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a simple, healthy, yet flavorful meat and potatoes recipe. Alright, so this is so straightforward. Let's get started. For the list of ingredients, kindly check the description box below this video. So first off, we're going to heat up some oil in a pan over medium heat. And once the oil is hot, nice and hot, then we're gonna saute the onions. I'd say about 1 to 2 minutes, and then immediately add in the bell pepper. I am using red bell pepper here, but you can also use green bell pepper, all right? Or sweet peppers if that's available. Next is we're gonna add in some garlic, chopped garlic. Saute for about, I'd say 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown and fragrant. Next is we're going to add in the ground beef. You can use ground pork or ground chicken or any meat of your choice actually. Then next, immediately we're gonna add salt, freshly ground black pepper and paprika. Freshly ground black pepper is what I recommend kasi mas better talaga siya for me. Okay? Mas gusto ko talaga yung freshly ground black pepper. We're gonna cook the ground beef for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it is golden, not golden brown, but brown. Okay? Hindi naman siya kailangan na magiging luto talaga na fully cooked. Pwede naman fully cooked, but lutuin pa kasi natin ang potatoes dito later. So, maluluto rin siya. Then, add soy sauce. You can also use fish sauce. A little bit of fish sauce with the soy sauce. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na magiging maalat yan. Nagbibigay lang ng ibang flavor. And then, gagamit tayo dito ng yellow mustard and hot sauce. You can use yung favorite peppers nyo if wala kayong hot sauce na available. Then, add potatoes. Cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until the meat is fully cooked and the potatoes are fork tender. Add a little bit of water para maluto yung potatoes. Okay? Sa lista naman ng ingredients, nasa description box yan. I also use cilantro. And then, that's it. Once luto na yung potatoes, it's ready to serve. Adjust accordingly, salt and pepper kung kulang pa. Kasi sa cooking naman, it's always about your taste, so adjust accordingly. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and take care.